Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator of PG Department of Commerce, Hokirimon University, Vasavar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. Friends, on your demand, on your request, I have prepared the 40 vital, the easy GK MCQs on your demand and on your request. So friends, so far as today's discussion is concerned, आज का discussion बहुत useful and fruitful होगा, particularly for the all types of competitive examination, whether it may be the state government job or the central government job. So friends, so I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video from beginning to till end. You watch it, definitely your GK knowledge level will be better for your upcoming competitive exam. So before discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming competitive exam. So friends, again I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your available comment and suggestion in the comment section. So far as today's discussion, friends, it's the part 8. I have already posted the 7 parts. Kindly go through the playlist of GK, I mean the general knowledge, that is the playlist. That is the GK quiz is how many players in a basket team, whether 4, 5, 7 or 9. So friends, here B is the right option. I mean the 5 players in a basketball team. Next one, who has discovered the India, as well as in which year, whether Vasco da Gama in the year 1998, B Vasco da Gama in the year 1949, or Christopher Columbus in the year 1498, or whether Christopher Columbus in 1499. So friends, here the right option is that is the A. The Vasco da Gama has discovered India in the year 1498. Next one हम देखेंगे, who has discovered the America in which year, whether Pedro Alvarez Cabral in the year 1492, or whether the Robert Hooke in the year 1492, or Christopher Columbus in 1492, or whether Henry Morton Stanley in 1492. So friends, here C is the right option. The Christopher Columbus has discovered America in the year 1492. So next one हम देखेंगे, the French Revolution began, or it's took place in which year, whether 1679 or 1689 or 1779, or it's 1789. So friends, here so D is the right option. So the French Revolution began in the year 1789. So next one हम देखेंगे, pink revolution is related to whether potato or onion or garlic or ginger. So friends, here B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, which city is known as the twin cities in India, whether Hyderabad Secunderabad or Cuttack Bhubaneswar or Delhi Chandigarh or Mysore Bengaluru. So friends, here A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, who is the first woman IAS officer. So friends, it's Indian Administrative Service. So whether the Kiran Bedi or Riya Devi, or it's Srushti Deshmukh or Anna Rajam Malhotra. So friends, here D is the right option. So the first woman IAS officer Anna Rajam Malhotra. So next one हम देखेंगे, which one is the that is the longest dam in India, whether Hirakud or Indira Sagar Dam, or the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, or Tehri Dam. So friends, here A is the right option. So Hirakud Dam is located in Odisha, is the longest dam in India, and measures its how much, 25.79 km in length. It's also the longest earthen dam in the world. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे द डूरेंट लाइन इज द बॉर्डर between Afghanistan and which country, whether India, Nepal, Pakistan or Balochistan. So friends, here C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे the national tree of India is whether mango tree or banyan tree or tulsi tree or people tree. So friends, here B is the right option. So national tree of India is that is the banyan tree. Next one हम देखेंगे which state is known as that is the sugar ball of India, whether Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh or Punjab or Haryana. So friends, here A is the right option. So next one, the name the first satellite of India, whether Bhaskar first or Rohini satellite or Aryabhata or Kalpana first. So friends, here C is the right option. So Aryabhata is the first satellite of India. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे हु इज कंसिडर द फर्स्ट एम्परर ऑफ इंडिया, वेदर अकबर और चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य और इट्स शाहजहां और बाबर. सो फ्रेंड्स बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे हु इज नोन एज द फ्लाइंग सिख ऑफ इंडिया, वेदर हरविंदर सिंह और जोगिंदर सिंह और गगनदीप सिंह और मिल्खा सिंह. सो फ्रेंड्स डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. So Milkha Singh is known as the flying Sikh of India. So next one हम देखेंगे which city is known as the diamond city of India, whether Delhi or Patna or Surat or Amritsar. Friends, so C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे who is the father of white revolution of India, whether Dr. Subramaniam Nagarajan or whether it's the Varghese Kurian or whether Dr. M.S. Swaminathan or Dr. Rajendra Singh. So friends, here B is the right option. So Dr. Varghese Kurian is the father of the white revolution in India. Next one हम देखेंगे the national vegetable of India is what, whether potato or papaya or pumpkin or banana. Friends, so C is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे हु इज नोन एज द मैन ऑफ पीस इन इंडिया, वेदर लाल बहादुर शास्त्री और महात्मा गांधी और जवाहरलाल नेहरू और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. सो फ्रेंड्स ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इज नोन एज द मैन ऑफ पीस इन इंडिया. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे हुई सिटी इज कॉल्ड द टेम्पल सिटी ऑफ इंडिया, वेदर वाराणसी और तिरुपति और भुवनेश्वर और पुडुचेरी. फ्रेंड्स, सो C is the right option. So Bhubaneswar city is known as called at what as the temple city of India. So next, whether Aristotle or Adam Smith or Peter A. Drucker or Herodotus. So friends, so D is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस, whether Aristotle or the Adam Smith or Peter A. Drucker or Sir Ronald A. Fisher. So friends, here A is the right option. So Aristotle is known as the father of the political science. So next one हम देखेंगे who is known as the father of economics, whether Socrates or Adam Smith or Peter A. Drucker or Sir Ronald A. Fisher. Friends, here B is the right option. So Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. So next one हम देखेंगे who is regarded as the father of America nation, whether George Washington or George Bush or Abraham Lincoln or John Adams. Friends, A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे who is the first Indian women athlete to win a medal in Olympic, whether P.T. Usha or Saina Nehwal or Mary Kom or Kannama Malleswari. Friends, so D is the right option. So Kannama Malleswari is the first Indian women athlete to win a medal in Olympic. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is regarded as as the tiger capital of India, whether Nandankanan in Odisha or Indore Zoo in Indore or Nagpur in Maharashtra or Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden in Guwahati. Friends, here C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे who founded the Brahmo Samaj, whether Raja Raman Rai or Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa or Sri Chaitanya or Swami Vivekananda. Friends, here A is the right option. Raja Raman Rai founded the Brahmo Samaj. So next one हम देखेंगे who designed the Indian rupee symbol, whether Sher Shah Suri or Sultan Razia or Uday Kumar Dharma Lingam or Dwarakanath Deshmukh. So friends, here C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे which continent has most countries, whether Asia, Africa, Europe or North America. So friends, here B is the right option. So Africa continent has the most countries. So Africa has the highest number of countries among the other continents. Africa comprises how many countries? It's the 54 countries. So next one हम देखेंगे who has made the famous, that is the Mona Lisa painting, whether Vincent van Gogh or Grant Wood or Pablo Picasso or Leonardo da Vinci. Friends, so D is the right option. Leonardo da Vinci has made the famous the Mona Lisa painting. So next one हम देखेंगे ice cream capital of India is whether Mangalore or whether Hyderabad or Kolkata or Chennai. Friends, so here A is the right option. So ice cream capital of India is Mangalore. So next one हम देखेंगे who was the founder of Nalanda University, whether Chandragupta Maurya or Maharaja Ranjit Singh or Kumar Gupta I or first or Prithviraj Chauhan. Friends, here C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे which team was the winner in the first IPL in the year 2008, whether Chennai Super King or Rajasthan Royals or Mumbai Indians or Kolkata Knight Riders. So friends, here B is the right option. So the Rajasthan Royals was the winner in the first IPL in the year 2018 and the final match was played between the Chennai Super King and Rajasthan Royals. So next one हम देखेंगे the Independence Day of America is celebrated on whether 4th April or 4th May or 4th June or 4th July. So friends, here D is the right option. So Declaration of Independence was adopted on July 4th in the year 1776. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the second man who walked on the moon, Neil Armstrong or Edwin Buzz Aldrin or Rakesh Sharma or John W. Young. So friends, here B is the right option. But the Neil Armstrong is the first man who walked on the moon. After him, Edward Buzz Aldrin, who walked on the moon as the second man. So next one हम देखेंगे who is the first woman chief minister of India, whether J. Jayalalitha or Nandini Satpathy or Suchita Kripalani or Vijayalakshmi Pandit. So friends, here C is the right option. So Suchita Kripalani is the first woman chief minister of India. So next one I'm taking from the following, which one is the tallest statue in the world, whether Statue of Unity or Statue of Belief or Thailand's Great Buddha or Statue of Liberty. So friends, here A is the right option. Hi friends, something the Statue of Unity in India, in Gujarat state, India is the tallest statue in the world, standing at 182 meters and it's 597 feet tall. Next one of the financial capital of India, whether Delhi or Kolkata or Mumbai or Chennai. So friends, here C is the right option. So financial capital of India is Mumbai or it's the Dalal Street. So next one what is the full form of that is QR code, whether A quick repayment code or quick redirect code or quick remission code or whether quick response code. So friends, here D is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे which city is known as the city of dreams in India, whether Mumbai or Bengaluru or Kolkata or Hyderabad. So friends, here A is the right option. So Mumbai city or Mumbai is known as the city of dreams in India. Friends, it's the last but not the least. Also, it's the vital MCQ. Who has built the Red Fort in Delhi? Whether Muhammad Shah or Jahangir or Shahjahan or Babur. So friends, here C is the right option. I mean the Shahjahan has built the Red Fort in Delhi. So friends, so these are all about the that is the top or the vital or very simple and easy 40 GK quiz. So friends, again I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So before concluding our discussion, wishing all the very best for your upcoming exams. So thanks a lot to all of you.